Today I'll go with biology session. In my previous video I have completed with transportation in plants as well as animals. Now today nutrition in plants I'll continue with, so nutrition will get over. Clear? The next video I'll continue with respiration and excretion. Right? So nutrition. In plants, the nutrition, that means autotrophic type of nutrition, takes place in plants. That is, the plants prepare its own food by the help of sunlight as well as chlorophyll molecule. So in photosynthesis process, what are the raw materials required by the plant? That is carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll molecule is already present in the leaf. Right? Now I'm starting with, this is the diagram of leaf in which the chlorophyll molecules are present. Now what happens, this is the sunlight energy. During the day, the leaves will absorb the sunlight energy by the chlorophyll molecule. So the first step of photosynthesis, absorption of the sunlight by chlorophyll molecule and converting the sun's energy into chemical energy. First step, absorption of the sunlight energy and by the chlorophyll molecule and converting it into chemical energy. What are the chemicals is not in your syllabus. In the higher studies you will study about, but conversion of the sunlight energy into chemical energy. First step. Second step, photolysis of water. Now sunlight already absorbed, raw material. This is being absorbed by chlorophyll molecule. Now next is water. Splitting of water or the photolysis. In photolytic decomposition, I told you that photosynthesis is photolytic decomposition. So here the photolysis of water or splitting of water molecule will take place into converting it into hydrogen and oxygen gas. Clear? So breaking down or the photolysis or the splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen, oxygen will release into the air which we are absorbing during respiration. Then where this hydrogen goes? Addition of hydrogen, already we have studied in where types of reaction, redox reaction, addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. So this hydrogen will go reduce the carbon dioxide. Reduction of carbon dioxide. Now here the carbon dioxide gas is used and this carbon dioxide is entering through stomatal pore, that is exchange of gases takes place. During the day the plants absorb carbon dioxide and this carbon dioxide, the hydrogen will react with this carbon dioxide. That is one word, reduction of carbon dioxide. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate and the food is prepared. See, carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, in presence of sunlight energy in chlorophyll molecule, glucose is formed and or you can also call carbohydrate or sugar, and oxygen is released into the air which is being absorbed by us. Now, three steps of photosynthesis, very, very important. What are the three steps of photosynthesis in 3 marks question? First, conversion of the light energy into chemical energy. Photolysis of water or breaking down or splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. Reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. These are the 3 steps should be remembered. Clear? This is how the autotrophic nutrition takes place in plant. Now the thing is, these are all, whatever I have explained is for terrestrial plant. How the desert plant undergoes. This is the desert plant. How they undergo, because there is the scarcity of water. Without using water, how they can undergo photosynthesis. This is very important part and 2 marks question. How desert plant undergoes photosynthesis. Clear? Now, in desert plant, the most of the the process starts at night. At night, the desert plant take up CO2 from the atmosphere. At night, the desert plant take up CO2 from the atmosphere and prepares an intermediate. What is the meaning of intermediate, student? This is the compound formed. Again, not in your 10th section, the intermediate compound is formed and that intermediate compound is ready and which is acted upon by chlorophyll molecule during the day. The CO2, what it will happen? At night, the desert plant will take up CO2. At night, I am talking about. At night, the desert plant will take up CO2 from the atmosphere and prepares an intermediate. And intermediate, which is a compound which is acted upon by the chlorophyll molecule or the energy absorbed by chlorophyll molecule during the day. Energy, which energy chlorophyll is absorbing? Sun's energy. So that intermediate which is prepared at night will be acted upon by the chlorophyll molecule, that is energy which is absorbed, sun's energy which is absorbed by the chlorophyll molecule will during the day prepares the food. And this is how the desert plant undergo photosynthesis. Again I am repeating, desert plant at night takes up CO2 and prepares an intermediate which is acted upon by the energy absorbed by the chlorophyll molecule, and during the day it happens and prepares the food. This is how desert plant undergoes photosynthesis. So nutrition in plants is this much only, that is photosynthesis, that is autotrophic nutrition, 3 steps, and in desert plant how it takes place. Clear? Okay students, thank you so much.